Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Triselle and I'm an adult dog collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. So as promised, I am going to be reviewing the Malibu house here. So I did purchase this at Walmart back in November. It was on sale for $69.99 or 68 or something like that. And then I did get cash back from Ibotta for $20. So this is me putting this house together, and it really wasn't that hard. It just had a lot of different pieces. It was very involved, as you can see, with a lot of different moving pieces or whatnot. But at any rate, this is me putting the house together. So I'm going to show you this and then I'll come on back. Okay, so the house is done and it is a portable dollhouse and it folds up, and this is how it looks when the house is completely folded up. And then this is the floor plan when the house is fully open on the inside. It is a two-story house and it does have stairs, and it did come with all the furniture as you can see here. So this is how the house looks on the outside when it's fully open. So you have the door, and then it is some molded pieces on the front of the house here that I find very interesting. And then you just see all the different levels. And then that is basically how the house looks on the outside if you open it up all the way. Okay, so here is the dollhouse from the inside, fully open. And here is the living area along with the kitchen and the dining room area. And it also has the entryway with the door and the moldings there. And it also here are the stairs. You can see them right here. All right, and so on the second level, we have the bathroom along with the room. And the room has 3 different beds. Okay, so here in the living room, there is a swinging little panel here that has different backdrops. So I'm going to turn it on to the other side where it exposes like a fireplace along with the mirror and a lamp. And then you have the couch, and it has like a table, and then there's popcorn. And there's also a checkers board game. It's just like a paperboard, printed paperboard for the checker game, as you can see here. Then we'll go to the dining area where there are 4 chairs, 2 pink, 2 orange, with a white table. We have 4 yellow dishes and 1 pink and 1 blue cup. I really wish they would have been the same. And then here is the entryway with the door. The door does open and close, and there's the printed backdrops here. Then by the door, there's like a little bar area, I'm guessing, and then there's a little fence with the printed backdrop with the barbecue pit and things of that nature and little lights. Okay, let's go to the top floor where we're going to look at the bathroom area. And you have the toilet, a sink, and a shower. I do like the toilet, but you have to move the toilet in order to actually like expose the other part of the sink where there's a brush, there's a blow dryer, and then there's also like a little foot massager so the dogs can give themselves a little home spa. And then you open it up there, and there's some printed backdrops there. And here's the little foot massager I was talking about. It's cute. And this is the only thing. The shower is like in the middle of everything, which is kind of random. And then there's like one place where you put like a one hanger, random. Okay, so let's move over to the bedroom. There are 3 beds. So here's the main bed, the purple one, and that's a bed actually at the top here. I didn't move it down, but you can. And then the blanket, it is actually a sleeping bag. So it looks like you can sleep, like it can sleep 4 if you put the sleeping bag on the ground, use the little small bed like for a Chelsea doll, and then the bed up top. So yeah, and if you move everything over, it looks like it becomes like maybe a lounge area. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen area, which is like my favorite place in general. In this dollhouse, the stove, the refrigerator is gray or silver, and it has like it came with a sticker that I had to put on the front of the refrigerator. So let me move the chairs and the dining table out the way so we can take a closer look at the kitchen area. All right, so let's open the refrigerator, and it does only have the one door that opens, and it's singular, and it only came, well, it came with a thing of orange juice, and I did have to put the sticker on there. I'm not good with the stickers like at all. A lot of my stickers are crooked. Luckily, like that backdrop came already assembled. Otherwise, that probably would have been crooked too. And then there's a sticker that I had to apply like behind the counter or the stove, which the stove and the sink is like one portable set. So here is the pan. It did have a sticker that you could have put in the inside, and I didn't do it because no, I'm not good with the stickers. And then it also had a blender. The blender is, you can like disassemble it basically. So I'll show you that right now. So let's open up the oven, and then there is a muffin tin there. I did have to put a sticker on there so you can see the muffins. Let me move my freaking nails out of the way so you can actually see it. Sorry. And there is a peg on the back. I guess you can pop it on the dining table or whatever. Oh, and the sticker is upside down. Oh no. Anyway. So overall, I do like this dollhouse for it being playline. It's super colorful. I do kind of wish there were just like singular colors, like if it was just like pink and blue, or pink and orange, or whatever the case may be. But I do like the price that I paid for it. I did get it back in November where, all the Christmas sales were going on and things of that nature. So, I'm not, I can't complain about that. But I do like this playset, and I will be showing a lot of different items that I did get as well. So stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow me on Instagram at Mama Doll Boss, and I'll see you next time. Bye.